Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best mountain bike stems that you can buy today. Your stem is a simple component, but changing it is a great way to refresh your cockpit, but the change will subtly affect how your bike performs. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing mountain bike stems. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So, if you're looking for the best mountain bike stems, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Funn Crossfire mountain bike stem. The Funn Crossfire stem is a stem aimed at enduro use, but in reality is a stem well suited to pretty much any MTB application. As stems designed to withstand burly abuse go, the Crossfire could almost be described as elegant in its design and execution. Funn has sculpted the Crossfire from standard issue 6061 aluminum. But whereas previous stems have all been angular CNC machining, the Crossfire has been created mainly through the forging process, leaving it all soft-edged and flowing lines. Despite forging leaving behind more material with these softer edges, the Crossfire is still really competitive in terms of weight. The Crossfire is a zero-rise stem in both lengths offered, even though the shaping plays tricks with your eyes and makes it look like a negative rise stem. In at number 4 is the ethirteen components base 35 stem. The ethirteen stem is available in two versions, the base and a pricier plus model. They are good value for any bog standard stem, but the base 35 is actually a really great looking and well thought out one too. First, the 6061 alloy is cold forged for greater stiffness and steering response. Then extra details like opposing steerer tube bolts stay well out the way to prevent knocks to knees. The 6 tensioning bolts are Torx head, which resist rounding better than Allen heads in my experience, and these T25 bolts haven't rusted either over months in the wet. A broad face plate grips handlebars very securely and uses the easier to set up, zero-gap design at the top that also keeps the cockpit looking cleaner. At recommended torque settings, my bars and stem haven't moved a jot over months of riding, and this base model just feels solid and responsive when you load it. The third product on our list is the Spank Spoon Plus 350 stem. Spank has been making the spoon stem for a while in a 31.8 mm diameter, but it's recently upped the size to 35 mm and included a whole raft of different colors. Color aside, it's always been one of the best mountain bike stems on the market. The spoon is forged, which means it's a lot stronger than a machine stem. This is a cool looking utensil, and now more useful than ever as it comes in 35 mm. The spoon comes in a 0-degree rise, and it also has a low stack height, so if you upsize to a frame with a tall head tube, or you just want to get the handlebar low, this gives you that option. 2 lengths are offered, and there are 9 different colorways to choose from to complement any bike. The increase in strength and durability are things you're unlikely to notice while riding, but this is a solid and resilient stem that comes in some cool colors. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. In at number 2 on the list is the Race Face Unisex regular stem. Race Face R35 stem is now available in 9 different anodized colors. The stem is compatible with a standard 1 1/8 inch steerer tube and comes with a 35 mm bar clamp. The surface anodizing is first class. I've got a black version on my bike, and it still looks good as new. The bolts have lost some of their paint, but then I do change the handlebar quite often. It's one of the curses of being a product tester. It isn't a cheap stem, but I reckon it's one of the best looking on the market. It's also really stiff and solid for something so light, and is definitely the icing on the cake if you're putting together a custom build or just upgrading a tired old cockpit. The best mountain bike stem is the Burgtec Enduro MK3 stem. With the MK3, extra rigidity has been gained by using a new process to the brand, aka cold forging. This method makes total sense as I frequently notice superior solidity in forged versus machine stems during testing, and Burgtec also reckons it delivers superior strength, fatigue life, and impact resistance. The MK3 two-piece bar clamp has also been widened and the Steerer 2 clamp made taller to boost overall stiffness. Everything then bolts together with 4mm steel bolts throughout. On the trails, the Burgtec Enduro MK3 stem is way more solid with a far more direct steering response than its predecessor. If you're obsessive about weight, you can get a lighter stem that's just as stiff, but Burgtec has struck a decent balance. With a wide range of colors, some precise size increments, and the fact I've had zero creaks or issues riding this in the Alps every day, I'm happy to recommend it. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.